what's up? It's your girl Gwen, and I'm back with another vlog. So for today's video, we're gonna have another experiment, since it is another requirement for my subject, and this experiment needs 3 cups with labels sugar, baking soda, and salt. Of course, we'll be having baking soda, sugar, and salt. Of course, we also need a stirrer, or maybe just a spoon, then water. Well, without further ado, let's go to the intro. So here's all the things that we need. Transparent cups with labels, salt, then sugar, then baking soda. So first we need to fill these cups with 100 ml distilled water. So we have water here, and as what I have learned before, 100 ml is equals to 7 teaspoons. So here we go. So, ayan na, kompleto na natin yung transparent cups with their corresponding labels. The first solute that we will dissolve, we have baking soda. So it is said in the instruction that we need to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then we will stir it. So here's the baking soda, and then we will stir it. It's getting thicker, it gets harder. Ang hirap na niyang haluin. So this is the result.
So it is so malapot na. The viscosity of water and baking soda is so high right now. Well, the baking soda still dissolves in the water, but the liquid is thicker. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Pero meron na siyang buo-buong mga powder.
So on to the next solution. We'll have salt and water. So just like what we did with baking soda earlier, we're gonna put teaspoon until it will not dissolve in the water. So we have iodized salt. So this is the product when we mix salt with water. So this solution is way more soluble than baking soda. So But in this case, since we put a lot of salt in this, it gets hard for it to dissolve. Well, you can see here. I don't know if you can see here, but there's still salt that is not dissolved in the water. But it is less viscous than the baking soda. Well, for our last solution, we'll have sugar with water. So let's see. Let's go and see if it is like the first ones. So here is the result of when we mix sugar with water. So it is actually with high viscosity, but it is actually more soluble than the other two. But now, because of having too much solute or sugar and having less solvent with water, it is harder for the water to dissolve the sugar. So it's like this. It's like a syrup right now. You can see under the transparent cup, there's still buo-buo. Buo-buong sugar sa ilalim. So here's the comparison of the three solutions. Here we have sugar, and as you can see, there are still particles down the transparent cup, so it means that it does not dissolve that much if the solute is more than the solvent. Here, sugar. Then we have baking soda. So it's like the sugar. It's also not that dissolved in water since the solute is more than the solvent. Here it is, baking soda. Then last, we have salt. Yes, as you can see here, salt. What happened here in the solution is, here you can see this yellow thing above. That's the liquid. It's because the salt does not dissolve in the water. Here, this thin line is the water, and all of this white one is the salt. So it means that it does not dissolve that much on the water. So in short, in our experiment, sa madaling salita, hindi madidissolve ng maayos ang isang solute kapag mas marami ito kaysa sa solvent. That's what we did earlier, right? So we put more than 10 of teaspoons of sugar, baking soda, and salt. And we just put 7 teaspoons of water in the transparent cup. So meaning to say, what I said earlier, if the solute is much more than the solvent, then it will not dissolve. Well, that's all for today. See you on my next video. It's your girl Gwen, and have a good day.